Hello, dear students. I am Carmen and I am making a tutorial. In fact, I am trying to make one to teach you and explain to you how to enrich the preferences of my profile. So first, I press this key at my profile. Then I open the preferences with editing profile. I choose editing profile. OK. Then I click update profile. And I am trying to enrich it. So I will write something in the description. Again, I am trying to update my knowledge in teaching online. Besides writing in the description bars, I cannot upload another picture, but I stick to my profile picture. Maybe I will find another picture to load. But there is no one yet. Okay, I will stick to my profile. I can add at the picture description me as a teacher. I fill in this slot. Then additional name, Carmen. My surname is Butaciu. Okay, my middle name is Mirela. And as alternative name, Carmen-Mirela Butaciu. My interests: education, English, family, God, paragliding, technology, optional. In optional, I have the web page at my Facebook address. I don't have a Skype yet. My Yahoo ID is the following. I will insert it. Okay. My institution is Atanasie Marianescu High School. From Romania. Department Arad County. I won't insert my address or my mobile phone for it. Okay, so I can go back. All the other items are inserted. I can set my email display from everyone in the town of Lipova, Romania, and the time zone UTC. Okay. So this is how I try to enrich my profile setting. Let's see if I can drop a file. Maybe from my downloads. Okay, a picture with a rural image from my place called Lipova. I choose public domain and I can upload it. I hope this can be done quite quickly, but the speed of my internet is not so well adjusted. Finally, it has been unloaded. It has been loaded. Okay. And I think we can end this our first session. Then I will click update so that the changes can be changed, can be saved safely. Preferred language, English, of course. It's okay. This one is okay. Save changes. I can update my notifications. All of them are on, I suppose. I can turn everything on so that I can be updated with the latest announcements from this course. I should move faster, but please be patient with me. I want to see all the notifications, so all of them are okay. Then I can go back to user account. The preferences. I don't know what's happening with the speed of my net. It's not so good. My forum preferences. All of them are highlighted for me. I can save these changes as well. Security keys are very important. And they look alright. I don't have to reset them. Okay, I can go back. Sorry. Okay, now I think I will change the picture again, my profile picture. So I'll put a new picture on. I will choose a file. From my downloads, where I have a picture of me with I suppose I still have it. I hope so. Yeah. That's me as a teacher. At school. So I will upload this file again. So I will finally update my profile. All of them have been saved, so I think this session may end. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope my explanations have been quite of use for you. Bye bye.